Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute bunny anime girl. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. We'll start off in the center and we're going to start drawing the hair. We'll start with the curve down and up. Curve it over to the right, and another curve back up. Next, on both sides, let's draw a curve down and in, and back up. And then one more on both sides in the same way. Now top underneath, and let's draw a small curve down, and curve it outwards. And that's it for the bangs. Now let's hop underneath and draw the shape of the head. Let's start underneath on both sides and let's draw an angle down and in. Then from the bottom, let's curve it in. And then close it off with a curve across. Next, let's hop inside and we're going to draw the eyes. Let's start with a curve up and down, and the same on the other side. And let's add another curve on top. And close it off at the bottom. And then color both of these in black. Now on the sides, let's draw a curve out and back in. And one more underneath. And color both of the eyelashes in black. Now top underneath, and let's draw a large oval like this. And then add another oval inside at the top. Now top on top of each eye, and let's add a curve across for the eyebrows. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop down in the center and let's draw a small curve up for the nose, and then a curve underneath for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now we're going to hop to the sides and draw the ears. Let's start on the sides of the head, underneath the hair, and let's draw a curve out and back in. Then let's add another curve inside at the top, and a curve down underneath. And that's it for the ears. Now let's hop up and let's finish drawing the hair. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a curve across. Then let's curve it down and back into the top of the ears on both sides. And then one more curve up at the bottom here on top of the ears. Now on top, let's add the bow. Let's start with 2 lines up in the center and a curve across at the top. Now from the top corners, let's curve it out and back in underneath. And then one more curve down and back into the head. Now inside each side of the bow, let's draw a curve out and bring it back in underneath. Then let's hop to the sides and let's draw a curve down like this. And that's it for the headband. Now on top, let's add the bunny ears. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve up and bring it back down. And the same on the right side. Then let's hop inside each of the ears and let's add another curve in the same way. And that's it for the ears. Now let's continue drawing the hair. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across in between the ears. Now let's continue it on the other side by curving it down. Then let's bring it out and curve it back in. Now let's hop in underneath the ears and let's draw a curve down and out. Then another piece next to it in the same way. Now let's hop out and let's draw a curve down and bring it in. Now before we finish drawing the back of the hair, let's move in and let's draw 2 curves down for the neck. And then let's curve it out and down for the shoulders. Now to finish drawing the hair, let's draw a curve in and up on both sides. And then one more set of curves back into the side of the neck. Lastly, let's hop in and let's draw the collar to the shirt. Let's start with a curve across. And then add a bumpy line underneath. And that's it for this cute bunny anime girl. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!